Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about BenQ new EW series entertainment monitor including total 3 monitors EW3290U, EW2790U and EW2790U. So friend, the monitor it comes with wider color gamut for video watching, high quality built-in speaker and certified eye-care technology, and the EW series provide convenience and simplicity for every lifestyle. So friend, the monitor providing great color coverage for a better visual experience, video and content watching are enhanced with these UHD and QHD EW series monitor. HDRi generation to dynamic contrast adjustment create better visual details in dark environment for late night movies and bringing watching and color pops with wide color gamut coverage. And EW series monitor also offered convenience of treVolo built-in speaker for quality audio without need for external speakers, optimizing desk space utilization and meeting user need to enjoy video content. So friend, the EW series has two UHD 60 Hz models, the EW3290U and EW2790U, and one QHD 100 Hz model, the EW2790Q. So friend, all monitor is equipped with 65-watt USB Type-C port, HDMI port into 3, and free up desk space and help users simplify and manage cable connection. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.